It's a quiet night out there with some areas of light fog. You can't really see too much problems here looking out over Grand Rapids. The lights of the city very visible, and if you look closely you can see a lot of grass out there as our snowpack continues to melt with just a handful of mild days over the last week. It's really done a number on that snowpack. Visibility right now for Grand Rapids 9 miles, not a problem at all, but down to the south we do still have some areas of brief visibility reductions and some dense fog, especially in the Kalamazoo area. This should be improving though as we go through the overnight hours. Temperatures for us right now ranging from 31 in Hart and Big Rapids along with Hastings and Allegan to near freezing for most of us. Benton Harbor is the warm spot at 38, Three Rivers not too far behind at 35, and it's pretty easy today to play where's the cold front. You can see it just to our south, kind of the border between the blues and the greens, those more mild temperatures down to our south. It's in the 60s in Indiana versus us now in the 30s. The real cold air locked up back into the upper Midwest and the northern plains. That's where it will stay, although we will still get a little bit of that colder air tonight and tomorrow. The thing though that we're watching for the middle of the week is this big low pressure system out into the plains and into Colorado. That big low pressure system is going to travel all the way across the plains and arrive for us here in West Michigan late Wednesday evening, bringing the threat for some freezing rain and a little bit of snow as well, but primarily freezing rain. And it looks like, especially in the brighter pink areas here along and south of the 94 corridor roughly, is where we could see some of those higher ice accumulation numbers, anywhere from 1/10 to about 2/10 of an inch. Now that's not enough to really have a whole lot of problems with power outages and down tree limbs. That part is good, but 2/10 of an inch of ice accumulation is enough to cause some big problems of ice accumulation on the roads, the bridges and overpasses, and cause some general chaos out there for everybody driving. So that's going to be the biggest impact that we'll have. Farther to the north towards Grand Rapids and 96, our ice accumulation numbers look much less, probably only a glaze, but still for Thursday morning, the commute could be a little bit dicey out there. Tonight, though, it is going to be all calm and quiet, 20 degrees overnight as clouds gradually clear, so definitely on the colder side. And then not really seeing a whole lot of movement with our temperatures tomorrow, probably middle to upper 20s at best. Some spots like Fremont, Big Rapids might even be in the low 20s. Maybe a few very light flurries into the mid-morning, but we shouldn't really have to deal with any kind of accumulation, and that's mostly just because our wind direction will be out of the north or the northwest tomorrow. Wednesday itself, the early part of the day, all clear, but we'll start to see this little stripe of snow moving up from the south into the afternoon and early evening, and then on its heels comes that freezing rain that will move in around 9 or 10 p.m. and that will be with us until the early morning hours on Thursday. Thursday afternoon we clear out pretty nicely, and we're actually going to have a decent second half of the day. It's just going to be that 9 p.m. Wednesday to 9 a.m. Thursday time frame that's on the dicey side. We have another chance for snow on Saturday.